Get ready for the most comfortable Prioirty Past Lounge experience in Cairo Terminal 2. Unboxing the first-class lounge. A Middle Eastern design of comfort and style. Kids-friendly facility in place. How about the lounge buffet? Hi, I'm Tri Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Welcome to Cairo. There are new, modern, and premium part of this city, and also many good developments which are under the construction. After my business journey, it's time to head to Cairo Airport Terminal 2. As always, before we dive into first-class lounge journey, let me share how I got here. I flew on EgyptAir's 777-300ER in economy. From London Heathrow Terminal 2, I've explored various lounges, including plus a premium lounge and 4-star Alliance lounges like Lufthansa Senator, Silvercrest, Maple Leaf and United Club lounges. Curious about the in-flight meal? Check the link below for all the details. Navigating through 2 securities and a passport control took around 30 minutes. Simply turn right after the second security, where you'll find 2 lounges, Airline Premium Lounge and First Class Lounge, both accessible with your Prioirty pass. Entering a hallway adorned with premium paintings, navigating through the airport. This open area reserved for the First Class Lounge. With a stamp from CAC Lounge after using my Prioirty pass, I must say the seating here surpasses the comfort of A-Line Premium Lounge and another CAC Lounge, as you've seen in my other videos. The lounge is providing separate zones with ample space between lounge chairs. An added bonus, a family-friendly facility with a dedicated kids' play zone. A delightful feature for travelers with little ones. Now, let's explore their buffet offerings, from pastries and snacks to hot dishes featuring pasta, beans, rice and veggies, and local fried delights. The choices are diverse. The cold dishes present a variety of salads and Arabic mezze. It's a dry lounge without alcohol, but still can enjoy a selection of soft drinks, hot tea, and coffee. Tonight, my selection from the buffet may not surprise me, but let me tell you, the seating arrangements and the overall environment make it the best Prioirty Pass lounge in Cairo Terminal 2. So, if you're waiting for your flight and have a Prioirty Pass in hand, this is the spot to relax and indulge until your boarding gate opens. It's worth considering a visit to this first-class lounge. That concludes the unboxing report. In my next video, where I'll travel to Muscat via Oman Air 737-800 in business class. Experience the signature drinks and onboard dining. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.